Good evening, folks. It's 9 p.m. Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. Now, this is a new in-box Encon chili pepper. Now, I question how new it actually is. You see, there's a very small crack in the globe. But anyway, it's a pretty cool fan. I have no interest in getting rid of it. And the light works. So we'll start off on high. Oh yeah, and the motor was frozen. Not frozen, but it was really stiff. So I added a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and now it's still kind of a slow. Still kind of a quick spin down, but it definitely does move some air now, and it's a little much looser than it was. So this is fast, medium, low, and now for the spin down. Oh, it's actually taking longer than I thought it was. Than I thought it would. Because the motor was really, if you see it, check out the video when I unboxed it. The motor was really tight, so I thought it was going to take longer than that. So anyway, I've got Jose Jalapeno on a stick here, and shut the light off. I used a red light bulb. This was actually from an old dark room, and I just thought it was kind of cool looking. Went pretty well. Went pretty well with the fan. So another Encon up there. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.